The project is study of Irish tourism between 2014 to 2016. We use 3 structured data and 1 unstructured. Python and R did extract the data from source site, and cleaning data and rearrange the format and extracted CSV done by R. And the Excel set the key code primary foreign, and the SSIS did the merge source file and extracted to the CSV for the presentation. And this is the sample code from the Twitter scraper. So we set the county name, 50 miles, and the date. Then we created 26 JSON files, and because of Ireland has 26 county. So after this JSON file, we converted to the CSV file in the Python. Then the other 3 structured data worked on R, scraped everything done by R. So there is already files in R. So we combine everything in R, even Twitter's information here. So we extract it to the data for SSIS. Now we run here the SSIS. First of all, SQL task did the cleaning the data file database here, and then data flow task 1 showing the 4 source file imported here, and then merged into 2, and then exported to 2 different OLEDB that will be used in task 2. And then this is for the export to the CSV, the check for the back point. And this is the data from the task 1. So we merge here and export it to the fact table for presentation. And this OLEDB can be used as an internal check. So now we run the start. Okay, run. So now we can go back here, and then now we see the buyer query. Can we see any relationship between countries with the many visitors and GDP capita? So if we look at here, this one is the data which we received at fact table and converted into the ranking. For example, then Qatar is the highest in the GDP capita but low in the arrival. So Great Britain is the highest in the arrival, but it's not highest in the GDP. So seems not a relation. Then if relationship strong means like no curve or very few curve, but a lot of curve we can see here. So to support this information, we created the bar chart here, and this is a descent order by arrival number. So you can see UK, Spain, USA, but in the GDP here, it's no relation between those, no similar shape. So as in the line chart, so there's nothing similar curve between the GDP arrival. That means there is no relationship between those arrival number, GDP capita. And then query 2, can we decide the popularity of the county by the number of tweet and number of the like? So if you go back here, so we can see the number of the arrival visitor of each county here. Then there is a doubling to tweet liked, and this is the number of tweet. So Galway is the 3rd place here, but 2nd in the liked, and the 1st at the tweet number. But if you go Kelly, 4th to the bottom here, nearly bottom, so as Clare, that means there isn't it's high here but low here. But obviously Kelly and Clare has a famous tourist spot, so that means something wrong in the Twitter information we cannot trust. Then also if I go here, there's a visitor number here, and then liked, and then tweet number here. That liked and tweet seems to have something relationship, but not with the visitor number. So that means we cannot decide the popularity by looking at like and then to count tweet count. The query 3 with the region that most visited, the same in all counties. If we go out here, look at here. So Dublin has most visitor from Europe. Cork has most visitor from Europe. Clare has most visitor USA. Obviously not. So if we go here, more details here. So for example, Clare has a higher number in USA. Dublin has most higher number in the highest number in Europe. And the other one, the Kildare has the highest number in UK. So there isn't any rule kind of highest isn't the same region. That's the answer. Thank you.